I mean, when you're reversing, this car, is it the rear wheel? So when you're moving your steering, which wheels are moving? The back one or the front one?
The back one. Oops, there's a car behind. And he just gone past. Behind.
Okay. Ask yourself, are we doing reverse left or we doing the reverse right way?
Right.
So where would your steering goes?
To the right. Okay.
Full lock to the right. So which mirror going to help you most, the right or the left one?
I think the left one. Then straight, isn't it?
Good.
Should I give a little bit of gas?
Because we're going slightly uphill, that's why.
Alright.
Stop. Okay. Go to the drive for me for 1 minute. Go forward a little bit for me. Bit more. Stop the car. Go to the reverse for me. So in my screen, there is a red line there. I told you when the red line touches this one, you stop, you go and pass it. So secure your car now. Otherwise, we end up hitting the curb or going into other bays. So, can you please confirm if you are inside the bay or not?
Yep.
Good. Any problem, any questions?
Apart from a little bit of small mistakes from not doing that, touching the line, I've probably gone the same, like managed to figure out which way that I'm going, which line to observe, and if I'm going to the right, use the right, and then if I'm going to the left,
correct.
use the left.
I mean, when you're reversing, this car, is it the rear wheel? So when you're moving your steering, which wheels are moving? The back one or the front one?
The back one. When I'm moving.
So when you're moving this steering.
Oh, the front one. Sorry.
The front one. This is a front wheel car, not the rear. The rear wheels are, then they don't move unless it's a 4-wheel drive. So as you're reversing, and if you stay to the left a little bit, and if you're reversing, where would the back end go? So you stay to the left, back end goes to where?
It's when I stay to the left, it goes to the left as well, isn't it?
Yes, it's going out.
Yeah.
And if you're reversing, and if you stay to the right, it will goes to
the right. Remember
that, okay? So because we're doing the reverse bay parking and we're going towards right, when you were doing the staying to the left, the car would have ended up going there, but we wanted to come on, so we stay to the right. Is that clear? Any problem, any questions?
Nope.